Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the front cover, loosen the 2 screws securing the left side cover and lift the cover off the system. Identify and unlatch the front cover of the machine to remove it. To reinstall the front cover, relatch it back to the system. Secure the left side cover with the 2 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.